Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Esperanza and I'm back with another video. Before we get into this video, I'm hiding in the bathroom in order to make this intro because the kids are in the living room playing and they're kind of loud. But yeah, today's video is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I cook, I guess. I don't always cook this, but this is what today's dinner is. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I make it and yeah, what I use and that kind of stuff. But before we get into the video, I want you guys to like this video in order to see more videos, because if you like this, then I'll do more. Comment what your favorite thing to eat is, because I don't really have a favorite food. It used to be pizza, but I don't think I have a favorite food anymore. And subscribe to my channel because I'm literally just on the road to 100 subscribers at this point. I have like 49, so I'm trying to get to 100 and then we'll go from there. You hear the guy in the background. But yeah, my last video was a makeup video and my hair didn't look like this. So yeah, I cut my hair. Quarantine has me doing things that I usually wouldn't do. But so this is like changing. This is like short, and I usually wouldn't cut my hair this short. But yeah, this is the new hairdo. I don't think much to say about that. But yeah, today's dinner is chicken. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna be making with it. Chicken, potatoes, Mama, and yes? Come get food. So chicken and potatoes, and then whatever else I decide to make while I'm in the kitchen. So I'll show you the process. The chicken was frozen. Okay. The chicken was frozen, so I had to thaw it out in the sink in water. But I'm gonna season it. I'm put it in the fridge while I make everything else. The chicken's not gonna take long. I hope, because I don't know what I'm doing with it yet. But I'm gonna just prep everything else. Yes. Thank you. I'm gonna prep everything else while chicken sits in the fridge and, you know, marinates. But yeah, I have some dishes to do. I've kind of just accumulated dishes over the morning.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.